To activate the system, touch Climate on the lower screen, followed by the Power or Auto button. Alternatively, touch the AC button between the rotary dials. To adjust the temperature for the front of the cabin, manually operate the rotary controls. To control the airflow, touch the face, body, or feet zones. To achieve the desired distribution, you can select more than one zone at a time. To adjust the fan speed, touch the fan button and rotate the passenger side rotary control. To sync the zones, touch Sync. The driver and passenger climate zones are synchronized to the driver's settings. To override sync, manually adjust the required setting. To activate automatic operation, touch the Auto button. The climate control system automatically provides an optimum environment at the selected temperature.